on you!
Shame on you.
Shame on you.
Shame on you guys.
Shame on you.
Shame on you.
Yeah, shame on me. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Shame on you. You were a married man up until yesterday.
Look, I'm sorry about that.
You ruined our lives! Shame on you!
Shame on you, Maurice. Can you not see that you have insulted the freak?
What are you hiding? Hiding? Mm-hmm. Shame on you. It's Thanksgiving.
I said spit that out. You're a model now. Shame on you.
Shame on you.
Lying to a child. Shame on you, Ralph.
But I wasn't lying about the medal. That is my medal.
Your little book does come in handy.
Shame on you. We'd be lost without this book.
And that's no way for a young lady to behave, and shame on you!
Shame on you.
Oh, nice try, Timmy. Like I'm really going to believe that. Shame on you. Just shame.